What up, buddy?
A Sunday, 85 degrees, feels like 98 it said, or 99. Yeah, the humidity's socked in. It's cloudy. We had plans yesterday with Mike and Lisa to go over to Lum and Abner Fest, and we got up and checked the radar and it was socked in with rain. Last night, Waldron, which is where, golly, let's see, everybody lives. Let's see, Drew and Lindsay live there. Dogman, Washita Mountain Living, he lives there. Peter, Old Man King Homestead lives there. They're outside of town. All of them are a little bit outside of town, but Waldron flooded.
Ivies.
The Ivies, yeah, the Ivies are there, and somebody else is there too. What's the guy that's helping? Slots. It's a real New York name. Sal's RV, or yeah. He's in town now too. Anyway, they got flooded, and that's not but about an hour from Mina, I guess. So I haven't heard about the Mina festival that we were wanting to go to, but today it's just a hit and miss on rain. It's in fact, Kevin went outside and it poured down rain on him. Come in and said, well, so much for that. It's pouring rain.
About 5 minutes.
5 minutes. I looked up and I said, the sun's shining. What are you talking about?
I mean, pouring.
Yeah. It's so, it just added the heat. You can see the steam.
Humidity.
Yeah, the humidity. But we're off today to check out that flea market that was closed the other day. We never went back to it, and I'm gonna look at it. I've ruled out getting a booth, but if they're cheap enough and stuff, I may get one for a few months and unload my loads of crap I've got. I don't know, but I'm also sourcing for my eBay. You never know what you can find on a bargain anywhere, but it gives us something to do. And I'm also searching for a light box to take pictures in that you really need, so you don't have shadows and things that mislead people. Some shadows will fool you, and thinking, oh, it was different. So you got to try to get the best pictures that you can.
Ring sizer.
A ring sizer, yeah. We're going to Michael's. They sell stuff to make jewelry, so I'm hoping that they have it, but I don't know. I don't know what kind of jewelry making stuff they have there. Hobby Lobby's closed on a Sunday, so I can't go there. I'm pretty sure they have it. But it's something to do. Today it's just one of those Sundays, I guess. I've been sick, so I laid around all day yesterday. I've had a bladder infection, not that y'all need to know that, but nothing serious, but it gets you down.
I got all my trees burnt yesterday that y'all saw me cut down a few videos ago.
Yeah, the tree that fell, he got about half of it burnt. Yeah. That'll be another good fire starter though.
Right, because it was old, it was
rotten. Yeah, it was rotten.
And that's what really got the fire going yesterday. I threw some of them in there.
Yeah. Everybody, we've been kind of MIA. We know we have been busy doing stuff you just don't record. I don't know what to tell you. What have we been doing? fixing lawnmowers that break. Y'all don't want to see that. I mean, twice, yeah. He fixed what was it, the first one? The
drive belt broke. And I replaced the drive belt. And then got the yard mowed, went over to mow the other part of the yard. Made one row down, and the blade belt broke. The deck belt broke.
And all the while it's raining like every day. And then the sun's coming out, and the grass you can hear it growing. Literally.
But I got it fixed yesterday, and all of it mowed.
Yeah, got it all mowed, and I'm so glad. Because it was really taking off.
The other
ticks.
acre over there.
Yeah, we don't need ticks in that, They get up on those high branches and wait for something to come by. And that's how you get ticks. Is they're hanging, on a branch somewhere waiting on heat to come by that they'll grab hold of or jump off on. Anyway, we're headed over this morning to our youngest son's house. His wife has been out of town for the week, and her garden was out of control before she left. Okay, I had to stop the video because I forgot our tripod. I'm gonna show y'all the little garden they've got over here. I'm quite proud of it because we came over and put it in for him. We built the fence and the gate and everything for him as a surprise for her. Well, she knew about it, didn't she? I think it was a surprise. It was a surprise for her. I think she was on a business trip then, and we put it in for her. She's an executive. So we're going to try to get the weeds under control, and I'm going to do some carpet cleaning because they've got a little poodle that's being a bad girl. And I'm going to get that cleaned up for Mama so she don't have to do it when she gets back. And then I don't know what else we're going to do. Kevin's going to, I gave our youngest son our 2-seater swing, well, 4-seater swing, the Corton swing that belonged to my great-grandparents. It has stayed in the family, and we had it set up in front of the farmhouse out there at Danville, and we took it down, and we stored it over here. Yeah, we stored it over here, and then I said, why not just leave it over here? Because, when we die, one of them's going to get it, and it'll probably be him because he's the only one with the yard. The other one is in rentals, and he doesn't have a yard. He's in like a condo, a duplex thing, and he doesn't have a yard. So we gave it to the youngest one. They can fight it out over it if the oldest one wants it, they can talk about it. I don't care. It's up to them. But it's a neat swing. You sit facing each other. That's where my parents would go out and argue at night when we were in bed. We didn't know that. I didn't know that. My oldest sister knew it, but I would sit out there with boyfriends, but Mama always had it sitting where she could see from the kitchen window what was going on that swing. But I got the 3 grandkids over here, and I would like to sit in it when I come over here, so we're just going to put it over here. And hopefully Kevin can get that set up today. The rain's been holding off good, so it's not sunny.
It rained this morning.
It's 81 degrees and cloudy, so that's not bad. We'll see what we can get done. Y'all come along with us.
So anyway, we're putting a swing over here, so we got to get rid of all this little brush pile right there. Get it burned up.
Right here, it's on too. I got the nozzle on it so it won't be spraying the grass.
I can't remember if I showed you all the pile before I started. Definitely gone from there, and that's what we got left. It may take a few hours. There's some hot coals under there. It'll be burned down to nothing now.
Yeah, the old swing, we're gonna get it moved. Kevin, you about to pull that board off that bottom. Looks like it needs to be tightened up. Now we can mow over there, huh? Kevin got all the stuff burned. This is just the coolest thing.
Let me see. All right, we're gonna attempt to put this swing mat together, and I don't remember how to do it. You have a big crescent wrench.
Go in there and look at the toolbox. You may walk 20 trips. So here I am at the entryway to my daughter-in-law's garden, and it needs some love and care. Her broccoli died, and I don't know if it needs to be pulled. I think it needs to be pulled. But I'm gonna weed whack and get to some of this stuff and try to help her out. She's a hard-working woman. It was really hot and humid, y'all, and I can't stand up against that kind of heat for very long. And the day before, we had the grandkids, and we went off on an adventure, and I have a torn up knee, and I did something really stupid. I thought I was going to have to call for rescue, but we took the kids up to Pettit Jean Mountain and finally got to take them down to the Indian Rock Cave. And I made it down there just fine, but coming back up, I had to sit down 5 times. I cannot handle the heat, and my body just gave out. I don't know if they're supposed to be climbing on those rocks or not. I wonder what years they fell out.
Well, it'll fall out in 2026. In June of 2026.
Look at the shape. Water ran over those a long time. It's so cool. It's like there's like a room back in there. Come here, look. Look through there. Come forward. You got to keep going over to the side. There's a room back in there.
I don't know what these are. There's one over there too. Cameras, I guess.
Watch on the bottom left side of that opening up there. There's movement, and we actually did not know what was back there waiting on Kevin. But he got a real quick notice as soon as he got back there. You see the beak? I hear the chicks hollering. Listen, come here. Come here. Come here. Look up there. There's a buzzard. Come here.
What?
Look up. Stop. Stay here. It's got babies over there. You hear them? Listen. Hear the little...
What is that?
It's baby buzzards. Come here.
What are buzzards?
Look up. Look up on the rock.
You see them?
You see the buzzard? The big black bird?
Oh, I see it.
That's a buzzard.
I just went in there.
Yeah, there's like a
And I
secret
looked up-
room in there.
And I looked up and he was looking at me.
He hopped up there when people walked back there. No time. Yes, he's kidding. Hello, little friend. We don't want your babies. We don't want your babies, but I sure hear him. You better go get some food. She said, y'all need to go on now. Kevin walked back in there because there's like a a secret room back in there. Look, can y'all see that? Yeah, he was going back in there, and they all started chirping, and she hopped up from somewhere and looked at Kevin in the face.
So this is our yard that the acre that our house sits on. Nice, pretty yard. A few videos ago, y'all saw the other acre. It's about 5 foot tall. I've kind of plowed through here a couple times with the 0 turn, raised up pretty high just to get it knocked down. Big difference. But I'm gonna work on this part over here, and hopefully by next summer, this is gonna look like this. That's the game plan anyway. A lot of that right there on the streets coming out. This dead tree, half of it's dead, it's coming down. But today I'm gonna work on getting that cleaned up underneath all those trees, because they're gonna get thinned out, cut down. But you can't mow up in there, so.
under. I'm feeling the rain, my heart going under. I'm on my knees again. God, I need you now. I need you now. I need you now. I throw my hands up now. My hands up now. I'm crying out. Shine on me. Shine on me. Let your grace and mercy follow. Give me strength for my tomorrow. Shine on me. Shine your light on me. Yeah. Shine your light on me. I'm trying to be free, Lord. Surrender my pride. I give up my ego and take back my life. God, I need you now. I need you now. I need you now. I throw my hands up now. My hands up now. I'm crying out. Shine on me. Yeah. Shine on me. Let your grace and mercy follow. Give me strength for my tomorrow. Shine on me. Shine your light on me. Yeah. Shine your light on me. Yeah. God, I need you now. I need you now. I need you now. Throw my hands up now. My hands up now. I'm crying out. God, I need you now. I need you now. I need you now. I throw my hands up now. My hands up now. I'm crying out. Shine on me.
I still got to figure out how I'm gonna get this stump out of here. But I'm tired, so I'm gonna call it a day.
Come on, soft, turn the key and cooler on. This apart.